Today I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Pixlr using a super simple step-by-step method that works right in your browser. If you want to create smooth double exposure effects, overlay textures, or just combine two photos in a more creative way, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And if you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy photo editing tutorials. First, open your PC browser and go to Pixlr Graphic Design and Photo Editor. Once the editor loads, click Open Image to upload your first photo. This will be your base image, so choose the background or main picture you want to build on. After it loads, take a moment to make sure it's the right image, because everything else will be layered on top of it. Now it's time to add your second image. Look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Pixlr keeps each part of your design separate, so you can edit them individually. Click the plus icon to add a new layer, then choose Image. Select the second photo you want to blend with your base image and upload it. Once it appears, you should see it as a new layer above your first image. Next, you'll want to resize and position that top image. Click on it, then drag the corners to make it larger or smaller. Move it around until it sits exactly where you want it, over the base image. This step is important because the placement will affect how natural the final blend looks. If needed, zoom in a little so you can line everything up more precisely. After that, it's time to change the blending mode. In the Layers panel, click the three dots on your top image layer. From there, open the Blend Mode drop-down menu and start testing different options. Some of the most popular choices are Multiply, Screen, and Overlay. Each one creates a different effect, so try a few and watch how your images interact. Multiply usually darkens and combines images well. Screen can brighten and reveal lighter parts, and Overlay gives a more dramatic mixed texture look. If the blend looks too strong, don't worry. That's where Opacity comes in. Right next to the blend mode settings, you'll see the opacity slider. Lowering the opacity makes the top image more transparent, which helps soften the transition between both images. This is one of the best ways to make the blend look smoother and less harsh. Adjust it little by little until the two photos feel balanced and natural together. At this point, you can fine-tune the result by going back and adjusting the size, position, blend mode, or opacity again. Blending images is often about testing different combinations until you find the look that fits your project. If you want a subtle effect, use a lower opacity and a softer blend mode. If you want something bold and artistic, choose a stronger blend setting and keep more of the top image visible. And that's it. You've now learned how to blend two images in Pixlr. It's a fast and creative way to make your designs look more polished, and once you get used to the Layers panel and blend settings, the process becomes very easy. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.